Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy FMC. So today's video is speed art of a thumbnail did for a client. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. That would really help me a lot. But further to do, just enjoy the video.
Hey yo, Parrish, this shit hot, boy.
She know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint of the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Whip ain't fast enough. You talk too much shit, but don't back it up. Shoot her on deck if you tryna get bagged up. It's broken boy, bitch, I don't need to throw rags up. I put that on my mama. High tech sipping, got me sweating like a sauna. Acting like a bitch when you fuck with the drama. It's only 2 pops, little boy, then you were gonna. Yeah, broken, goated up. Pop my cape and running that up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. End of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a kind of the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a kind of the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. How you let a pump boy get this big? I ran it up, bitch, I'm Canadian, I'm good with the sticks. I'm 5'5", a little boy still a midget to me. It's cause I'm running shit, little bitch, I made it to the big league, yeah. Broken, goated up, pop my cape and running that up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. End of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a kind of the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint of the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying.
Hey yo, Parrish, this shit hot, boy.
Made a lot of noise when I came up in this shit. First time that I saw a couple down inside a bag. I just took a fit to the face and a bitch want a date, but I told her I don't think you be a match. It's a big move, we the best. I was down, I finesse. Motherfucker said I wouldn't make a dime. Now I'm on the north side, stunning with a Burberry London. Man, I gotta keep it going, we'll be fine. I try to tell him. Money in the safe, gotta keep the fucking money in the safe. Yeah, I don't fucking play like I'm in the stands, I don't fucking play. Hey. Money in the safe, gotta keep the fucking money in the safe. Yeah. I don't fucking play like I'm in the stands, I don't fucking play. Hey, hey. I just want the loot. I feel like I'm living in a loop. I don't go online and check the news. I got too much shit I gotta do. Hey, big trust on the truth. Hey, she loving her crew. Yeah. I've been tryna stay poised, but y'all leave me no choice. Real shit, I'm a motherfucking dog. Got a shorty in my city and another at the Paul. I remember when I couldn't get a player, book a show. Now the word around the town is the boy about to blow. Put the work in every day and I ain't switching up the pace. I came with the raps, you know buckets on the base. I don't flip real estate, but I put them in their place. They don't see me cut a whip, got a drapes. Yeah, I made a lot of noise when I came up in this shit. First time that I saw a couple down inside a bag. I just took a fit to the face and a bitch want a date, but I told her I don't think you be a match. It's a big move, we the best. I was down, I finesse. Motherfucker said I wouldn't make it down.